Hi bahlali nation, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, your girl decided to try the 3-ingredient dessert recipe for my kids. So guys, if you know me, you will know Uti, I don't know how to make a dessert. That's one thing I don't know how to make. Okay, there's a lot, but yeah, it's that. And my kids really love dessert, so I always find myself buying dessert instead of making them. So after seeing this video on TikTok and it was trending, you know what, let me try it. Oh guys, I don't even regret trying it. The only thing I will do different next time is definitely using less marshmallows. So I'm going to use around 200 grams instead of using 300 because yeah, it was just too sweet for me and the kids. But guys, this recipe, it's quick and easy and it saves a lot of time, especially if your kids loves dessert and you have like unexpected visitors, you can just make this quick recipe. So yeah guys, and I'm going to rate it, I think 8 out of 10, simply because of the sweetness. But otherwise guys, I loved it. I even added cinnamon. If you love cinnamon, you can add that. You can just play around with it. One thing about me, I like trying new things. So yeah guys, please do enjoy the recipe and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Going forward, guys, I'll be trying more of my TikTok recipes because they're quick. And yeah, why not? Why not, guys? Just for you guys to also try them and see if you like them or not. So I'll definitely see you on the next one. Bye.